Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start solving these two equations with variables on both sides. So we already did where you distribute and combine on one side and there's just one variable. So now we gotta do where there's a double variable. So you should have just watched the video of my PowerPoint that kind of went step by step of one problem. So now we're gonna do these two problems and hopefully they're good. So first thing I want variables on this side and I want constants on the other side. So that means on this problem A, I need this 2x over here and I need this plus 2 over here. So let's go ahead and move things around. I'm gonna start with the variables. You can start with the constants. You're gonna get the same answer. You can start with either one, but I'm gonna draw a wall. So this is a positive 2x. So in order to get it to the opposite side, I have to do the opposite sign. So minus 2x. This, when we're adding and subtracting, they can only go to like terms. So it cannot go to this plus 2. It has to go to this 5x. So that is minus 2x. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Bring down plus 2, bring down 14. Okay, so now variables, I'm good to go. Check. So now I'm going to do constants. Right here I have a plus 2, so I need to minus 2 minus 2. So 3x equals 14 minus 2, so 12. Okay, and then last step, I just need to get rid of this coefficient because I want x completely isolated. I want x by itself. So let's go ahead and divide by 3 on both sides. So x equals 4. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do this other problem, and I'm going to put a little squiggle there so we can keep everything separated. Okay, so on this one, we want this 4x to come to this side, and we want this negative 7 to go to that side. So let's go ahead and get moving with that. So in order to get rid of that negative 4x, I need to do a positive 4x. And remember, like term, the only like term is that negative 6x, so plus 4x. Negative 6 plus 4 is going to be negative 2x. Make that negative bigger. Bring down that minus 7. It looks like a minus 2, sorry. Okay. So that negative 7. And then bring down that positive 3. And I wrote positive 3, but you can leave that positive off. That's just so you guys can see the sign does not disappear, it's still there. Okay, so now I gotta do constants. So I'm gonna get rid of this negative 7 by plus 7, bring down negative 2x, so 3 plus 7 is gonna be 10. Okay, that looks good. So last step is gonna be to divide. Remember, this sign belongs with whatever is behind it. So that is a negative 2 and then an x. So we're going to divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. If you don't divide by the negative 2, you're going to be left with a negative x, and you don't want that. You want a positive x. So x equals negative 5. And that is it. Okay, go ahead and do those next two on your own. I wish you the best of luck.